recently had a lucid dream. I'm gonna document it. Can't remember where it was at, but I noticed time was acting funny. I'd done something, I'd come back to do it again, and it's like this should have been. How am I just now finishing this? I did this a long time ago, so I forgot to do my normal check. I looked to see if my tattoos are gone. They usually are in a lucid dream, but I see something in the ground. I just try moving it with my mind. I put out my hand, I try and move it, and the dust kind of shifted on it, which blows my mind every time this happens, because when you start questioning if you're in a dream or not, and you look around and check, everything is so very, very real. And I'm just like, something still doesn't seem right, and I'm checking around. Like, time doesn't seem right. And so anyway, I pick it up and I levitate it. I'm like, yes, I'm dreaming. I throw it out of my way. I just like, phew. Somehow get back to my RV. It has a wood paneling for some weird reason. It's got wood slats, and I push, and in a lucid dream, it's really hard to mess with it and modify it because it's so real. And I'm like touching the wood, and in real life, wood's really solid. So in my dream, I remember wood being really solid. It's hard to mess with it, but I remember kind of drawing the lines where this wall was going to split open into a new world, and I didn't know what that world was going to be, so I push on the wall, and sure enough, it turns into a door, and it slowly opens, and I just see kind of like what I would see at a rest stop. It's just a big old shipping container at the wheels for the tractor trailer. I look up, I don't see a truck. There's another tractor trailer. I'm kind of like boxed in by tractor trailers. They're all around me. Oh, I tried a few other like lucid dreaming things I like to do. Not flying. Flying's the number one. Oh yeah, I made sparks show on my hand because I wanted to throw. I was remembering all these things I wanted to do. Remembering all these things while I was awake that I wanted to do lucid dreaming, like shoot lightning from my hand. So I was really trying to conjure up some lightning. I just saw little sparks shooting in between my fingers. It was really cool, and I was just like, wow. I woke up and I remember saying, I'm going to remember this one. Yeah, when I was looking at my hands, the tattoos are gone. They're always gone. It's weird. It's my check. It's my reality check. It's the look for my tattoos or doing my using my superpowers. Absolutely freaking nuts. I didn't think that was gonna work. There are other lucid dreams I got trapped in. I started lucid dreaming. I was in this blue hell. I'll explain more of that another time. But I was trapped there. I couldn't get out. I wanted to try and. I tried to see if I had any control over it. I thought I was in hell. It was during a bad time in my life. I was drinking and I was gonna die in my sleep one of these times. It was bad. I popped into a lucid dream where everything's really blue. It was like I was looking through everything through a blue lens, like blue sunglasses or something, like a blue sun casting down this blue light everywhere. I couldn't get out in time. There was no time. I was trapped there, and I felt like an eternity. We were trying everything, and yeah. So anyway, I was trying to test my pushing through a wall to see if it was a lucid dream, and I couldn't get through the wall. And I was like, holy crap, I'm dead. I'm in hell. And I woke up. Which seemed like a really long time later. I was just waiting. Or it seemed like once I finally, I don't know, it was a weird dream. But anyway, usually in lucid dreams it's just really hard to modify it, the surrounding area. In this lucid dream, just now, I modified the surrounding area. We're looking at this wood paneling, and I say I'm gonna go through this wall. And so I imagine the lines on the wood paneling turning into a double door. They just split open, and it was just amazing. I I didn't know what I was gonna see. It was weird. Cargo trailers. I was like, oh, and then yeah, I'll pop back into a normal dream, which is really vivid and really crazy. I was running. My gosh. I just cherish this as long as I can. Lucid dreams are so freaking weird. I love the realization of it too, because I'm looking down like something just doesn't seem right. Wait, am I dreaming? So I like go to my telepathy. Usually, I try to teach myself to check my tattoos because that's just the number one dead giveaway. That and flipping lights on and off. They don't ever act right. They don't. The switches don't do anything. There's just always light. And the first time I lucid dreamed and checked by flipping light switches, the first time I tried light switch, I looked up and there's just no light fixtures. And I realized there's never any light fixtures. There's just, I go to light switch and I flip it and nothing's working, but it's just, the lights are just on. And I look up and there's just, where's all the light fixtures? There's just light coming from everywhere. It's weird. Or it's coming, the light's coming down like it normally would. I think I might upload this just as one video by itself. These are so awesome. If you guys want a lucid dream, look it up. There's training you gotta do. It's been a long time since I've been able to do it. I've been so busy in my head. Oh yeah, there's something about my teeth. Yeah. Oh, that was a nightmare. So anyway, I get out of my lucid dream and I'm in some other dream. I feel something wrong with my teeth and I look and one's just shattered. Just a big old crack running right down the middle of it. And it broke off to the side and it's just like this little chunk. Ugh, that was a horrible dream. I'm so glad to be awake now. I love those dreams too. Where you're just like, oh thank God I'm awake. But yeah, I was like right here. It was like I was looking at these lines or something, but it's wood. It's all like this color. And I was just like, and I just push it open. There's just two doors, and I'm just like seeing these cargo trailers, and I look out, and there's just another one lying this way, and I can't see any surrounding areas beyond me. There's traveling involved. I remember greenery. It's just so nuts. I'll brush my teeth now. Those dreams are. I hate. Ugh. That was depressing. That was a depressing dream when I saw that broken tooth. I was like, no, my life's over. I'm so depressed. 9:30. Yeah, good damn night of sleep. Oh. No, it wasn't. I went to bed and it was daylight already. I mean, that's right, I woke up at 3 in the morning. I woke up at 3 in the morning. Still dark. I did some things. God, that all happened within just like a few hour period. I went to bed early though, so I got a lot of sleep. I went to bed early, woke up at 3. I can't believe that. I must have got up from a 2.5 hour nap. All that happened. Wow. That seems like so much happened in just a few hour time. I've never lucid dreamed in such a short amount of time before. That is crazy. Full blown lucid dreaming and deep sleep. Vivid, crazy dreams. I'm so glad I got to. The camera's right there at my bed. I'm gonna start doing that more often. Maybe. I like dreaming. Dreaming's a big hobby of mine. If I can call it that. Lucid dreaming. So. Yeah. Reached up out of the camera right there. It's perfect. I still remember almost everything. I can't believe that happened. I just like dozed off. 3 in the morning. Became daylight. Doing stuff. That's like maybe not even 2 hours either. That is not a lot of time. I needed that though. Oh man, that was nuts. All right, I'm gonna enjoy that. I'm gonna get back to enjoying that with myself and get back to work. I was not gonna film today. I'm busy with farm work and stuff. So. Need to make breakfast and stuff. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll do some more of those sometime. Bye.